And we are off, Todd and Josh, on another wild adventure here at Zaleski State Forest. We are, it is 1:51 in the afternoon on a Saturday, July 28th. Let's see what we can find. Oh, we found mud.
Out here on the road, lights of New York.
All right, we made it. No, actually, see, it's kind of a funny story. We came to a fork in the road. We were debating between left or right, and we realized we needed to go back the way we came.
Been a long time traveling, rolling on from town to town. Seen so many places.
So we're at camp now. Currently in the process of getting situated. Got some water boiling on the old stove. Gonna add it to this pack of chicken and mashed potatoes. Gonna rehydrate this chicken, throw some taters in there, have some dinner. Oh, she's bubbling.
Rolling hills of the Carolinas, Kentucky and Tennessee. Been a long time traveling, rolling on from town to town. Seen so many places, still don't know where I'm bound. No matter how far I travel, I'll always find my way back home. When I start to feel my life unravel, I know I'm not alone.
And we are off. It's the next morning. We got all our stuff packed up. Got breakfast ate. We had some scrambled eggs. And see if we can make it back.
In Michigan, the rocky shores of Maine, Indiana hardwoods, a Midwest summer day. Sunrise in the Florida Keys takes my breath away. Been a long time traveling, rolling on from town to town. Seen so many places, still don't know where I'm bound. Been a long time traveling, rolling on from town to town. I've seen so many places, still don't know where I'm bound. No matter how far I travel, I'll always find my way back home.
And we have made it a full circle. Remember that? That's the mud we found yesterday. The first loop we started on, we made it back here. Ah! What do you think, sir?
Made it.
Good stuff.